And I was born here. I was born in Canada, and my younger brother as well. And my name is Eva because I was my mother's firstborn child in Canada. I was the start of her new life. She felt that she was renewed. She didn't think she would have any more children at that point. She was in her late 30s when I was born, and in her early 40s when my brother was born. And so that's why I'm Eva. And I come from my mother, we always spoke Yiddish at home, and we come from a very Yiddishist family. And when I went to Jewish school, to Jewish People's School, Yiddish Volksschule, the first day they said, "What is your daughter's Hebrew name?" And my mother said, "Her name is Eva. She has only one name, it's Eva. It's in English, in Yiddish, and it's Eva. But the name should be Chava. She's not Chava. Her name is Eva." And they kept going back and back to my mother, and she just kept insisting I was not Chava, I was Eva. And finally, in desperation, she says, "She's named after the YIVO, and her name is Eva," which was not actually the strict truth. She just was ornery, and she didn't want me to be known by any other name. But 50 years later, when YIVO was celebrating its 50th anniversary, or one anniversary, and they were having a huge exhibition of one kind, they asked me to send them my photo because I was one of the children who was named after the YIVO. And who was I to call my mother a liar? So I sent, but that was the story I was always told. So I sent the YIVO my picture, and they actually used it. Apparently, somebody said it was there in the. So it's Eva in Yiddish, and it's never been Chava.